In this video, we'll demonstrate how our AI-powered module automates SEO metadata generation at scale. This module allows us to automatically generate SEO-compliant meta titles, descriptions, keywords, and abstracts for multiple nodes in a single execution, ensuring consistency and reducing manual effort. We'll begin by navigating to the Extend interface in the Drupal admin, where we manage and enable modules. Here, when we filter for Meta, you can see the SEO-related modules that are currently enabled on the site. The key module to focus on is the Metatag AI Generator. Upon clicking Configure, we are directed to the Metatag AI settings page. The first step here is to select the service as OpenAI. This tells the system which AI provider will be used to generate the meta tags. Once OpenAI is selected, we add the OpenAI access token. This access token is a secure authentication key that allows the website to communicate with the OpenAI service. Then we simply save the configuration. This takes us to the Metatag AI settings page, where we select the content types we want the module to work on. Next, we go to the content types page under Structure. Click on Manage Fields. Locate the field machine name. Copy this machine name. Go back to the Metatag content type setting page. Paste the machine name into the field name input. Save the configuration. With the settings configured, this process connects the module to the right content type field, allowing Metatag AI to function properly on the selected content. The interface visible on the screen now is where we run the module for all the nodes or pages at once. First, we select the content type. Next, we specify the number of nodes or pages to be processed in a single batch. We then enable AI validation, which ensures accuracy, correct formatting, and acts as a quality check before the meta tags are applied. Here, we also have an editable AI prompt that can be customized based on specific requirements. Once the prompt is reviewed and verified, we can start the process. During the bulk update initialization, this step may take some time as the system runs multiple backend processes, including AI execution, validation, and metadata updates. Once the bulk meta tag update is complete, we can view the batch results showing AI-generated meta titles, descriptions, keywords, and abstracts, all created in just a few clicks. We also have the option to download a CSV report, providing a comprehensive audit trail of the updates for review, validation, and ongoing governance.